All right, guys, today is going to be a special video. First off, I want to thank Pasteur Shaving for sending me this newly released product offering of theirs. It's called the 5 Points Shaving Soap. This is Gotham. And guys, released today on the 2nd of March. Oh, it's got a very nice, warm, sort of chocolatey smell, if that's a thing here. I was talking to my boy RK516 or ShaverBoy516 on Instagram, and he says that he thinks it smells like a Tootsie Roll. But I want to thank the folks, Leon and the folks at Pasteur Shaving, for sending this to me. We're going to be using this today, and it's going to be one of the 5 points for sensitive skin to reduce irritation, ingrown hairs, razor burn, and just the disappointment of a bad shave. Quality products being number 1. Quality soaps, like artisan soaps, and that's why they're so important. Many of them are handmade, smaller batches, less chemicals. It's just like eating healthy food. Simple ingredients, 1, 2, 3 ingredients, natural. It just treats your body, it treats your skin really well. So a quality product and a quality shaving soap is point number 1. Now, point number 2 is really picking the right device to shave. All right, a quality DE razor, double-edged razor is a nice choice. But today I'm going to be featuring 2 cartridge razors that are designed to really help promote better shaves, less irritation, no ingrown hairs, no cuts, no nicks. And the 2 choices, guys, one from Big Blue, their SKINGUARD, which is a 2-bladed razor, cartridge razor. So it has 2 blades, and it has this little plastic guard. See the little blue plastic guards that promote a more of a gap between your skin and the blade, which is very beneficial. See, with ingrown hairs, if a hair is growing at the skin line, let's say, and you chop it off slightly under the skin line, and if you have the propensity to have curly hair, when that hair is chopped slightly under the skin line and it grows and it might curl, there are your ingrown hairs. SKINGUARD guards or increases the gap, so you have less of a chance of doing that. The second is the Stubble eraser from Schick. It's the Hydro Stubble eraser. We are looking at 3 blades. Similar, but a little bit different. It has this plastic channel with grooves in it that this is designed for a longer stubble. It's for that in a cartridge shave or during a cartridge shave, when you let the beard grow out too much, it's very, very difficult to get, a good smooth shave for that first pass. There's a lot of, tugging and pulling, but these channels here are designed to eliminate that. It's designed to channel that hair into the razor. But what I've found is this makes for a great razor, cartridge razor for the sensitive guy, because in essence, now less blades on a multi-blade or a cartridge is better. Less is more in this instance. Less irritation, less chance of irritation. All right. The way this is designed, there is a little bit more of a gap, or I feel it. It provides a nice, smooth shave. So I'm going to be pitting these up against each other today, but this is number 2 in the 5 points of a better shave for sensitive skin, limiting ingrown hairs, nicks, cuts. You get the point. Number 3, let the device do the work. Let it do the work, guys. And what I mean by that is you don't want to force the shave. You're letting the heft of the device, and these both have nice hefty handles for cartridge razors. You're letting the weight of the device make all the moves. Many of us get into this BBS mode where we want to cut all the hair out. We don't want to see any hair. Guys, you're never going to do it. So number 3, let the device do the work. You're gliding across the skin. Little to no pressure, letting the weight of the device do the work. You're not digging, you're shaving. Number 4, prepping your skin. Steaming up at the beginning of a shave, shaving in the shower, making sure your face is ready to receive the blade is ultra important. So you want to make sure, guys, you get that work done before the shave. Again, shave in the shower or steam up and get your face prepped and ready to go. And number 5, a quality aftershave. And again, the 5 points. Gotham. A quality aftershave, again, from an artisan manufacturer who's got less going on, less chemicals, made with care, made by hand in many instances. Support your small companies. And again, I want to thank Mr. Leon and the folks at Pasteur Shaving for sending me this beautiful, beautiful Gotham set of shaving soap and aftershave. So let's get to the shave, guys. I just jumped out of the shower. I'll add a little bit of water there. I'm going to go with a quality product, guys. A quality brush from FM Brush Company. Beautiful, beautiful, large knot, synthetic silver tip badger, guys. Quality product. It's antimicrobial. It's easy to keep clean. You don't have to wet soak it. Looks like badger, feels like badger, performs like badger. And no badger was hurt. No badger was harmed. And I love this even better. The average guy. Let me know if you want one of these brushes and we'll work something out. So I'm going to push this or rinse this under warm water, and I'm going to go right in to this tin of this beautiful 5 points Gotham. Again, a quality soap here, artisan. I'm going to swirl that around for about 10 to 15 seconds. A nice foam has developed. Get it right into that brush, that beautiful FM brush, guys. The best brush in the business. And I'm going to go right onto the face and do a face lather. Swirling. Applying that lather. Feels really nice. As you can see, that lather is built up really quickly. And a good soap is going to provide awesome protection, guys. It protects the face from nicks and scrapes and cuts and irritation. And since it's made with lesser chemicals, lesser ingredients, more natural stuff, it's just better for your skin. Yeah. Look at that. Alrighty. I'm going to come over here to this stubble eraser. I am going with about 4 days worth of growth, and I'm going to shave on this side of the face with the stubble eraser. I'm going to shave with the grain of the hair on my face and my neck, which is downward. The hair's growing downward for the most part. So I'll use this razor and just go downward. And that provides such a smooth shave. Again, guys, I'm letting the device, the weight of the device, do most or all of the work. Just slight pressure to keep you honest. It's such a nice feel. As you can see, it's just coming off. Now, what I love about this razor is you just, again, there's a nice gap. There's a lot of protection. You've got that channel here, but you've also got lubrication pods up top. So there's just lots of smoothness, lots of barrier, lots of control. And there you have it. First pass with the Stubble eraser is in the books, guys. First pass. Here we go. Take this over here. And I'm going to come back on the other side with the Gillette Skin Guard. Similar. Oh, yeah. Really nice, guys. Again, designed to just put that slightly wider gap between you and the two blades. Using just a little bit more pressure with this one here. But again, I'm not digging. I'm shaving. Feels nice and precise. Now I'd say between the two of these, there's a little bit more control. If you look at these, if you compare the size of the head on both of these, this is a little blockier. So it feels a little less controlled. And the pivot is a little iffy, where that pivot is nice and snaps. All right. You also have a flex ball head on this. You have also the option of a power handle because it fits the Fusion devices. That's another benefit. Let's come back over here. I feel no issues getting up and under the nooks and crannies. And I made quick work of that pass. Really, really nice, guys. All right, another thing. With cartridge razors, you don't need to do multiple passes. You can do the hand test and feel where you may have missed some and adjust those on a second pass or during that first pass. You can just go back in there. But two very nice, beautiful, smooth approaches to the face with these two razors. All right, I'm gonna go back with a little bit more near hot water, warm water, and come back to my FM brush, guys. And I'm gonna lather up one more time. And I've noticed that it may have dried out just a tad, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water to the mix. And we'll get in here and build some really nice lather. That chocolatey coconut cocoa feeling. That Tootsie Roll. Smell is really nice, guys. Oh, yeah. Okay. Second pass, and this will be my final pass. Because again, with a cartridge razor, multi-blade razor, and in general, less passes, less irritation. Come back over here. We're gonna do a cross grain pass. I'm gonna cross grain the pass. Again, I'm glancing over the skin. Oh, so nice. So nice. Look how easy that is, how efficient that is, because I don't have to worry for the most part. Working with the contours of my face, my neck. This razor is just a favorite feel. Feels like a cloud of air under you. So from a smoothness point of view, I'm leaning toward the Schick on this right off the bat. The Schick shave is in the books, guys. But let's come over here to the Skin Guard. SKINGUARD is designed, guys, for sensitive skin. And it's ultra smooth too. God, I don't know. Maybe I'm going to take that back. I think they're really, it's like a push. I would say, though, that Gillette is giving me more of a feeling of control. I feel like I have more control. It's more precise. Either one. But you know what? SKINGUARD. Buy a hair. But either one of these guys. And I think, you know, if you're a guy like me and you love marketing, you got to get them both. Have both of these in your shave den. You will not be disappointed. All right? So wonderful shave, guys. In the nooks and crannies. Oh, yeah. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse off with cold water, and then we'll apply the aftershave. Nice, smooth shave. Looking good, feeling good. Again, not trying to be perfect, not trying to go BBS. If you've got sensitive skin, this is where you stop. All right, let's go to the 5th point. Again, this beautiful the 5 points. Gotham, launched today. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. A quality aftershave refreshes the skin. Oh, yeah. Adds a little spice to your day. Makes you smell nice. Makes you feel nice. And does a little soothing trick. If there is irritation, but I'll tell you what, guys, there's no burn. There's no irritation. There's no redness. Because I use the right products. And I'll tell you what, guys, again, I want to thank all of you for watching. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the show. Subscribe if you're new here, or subscribe if you're old here, and what the hell have you been waiting for? And again, I want to thank the fine folks at these following companies. Pasteur Shaving, guys, for their beautiful, newly launched, the 5 Points Artisan Shaving Soap and Aftershave. Average Guy tested, Average Guy approved. And I want to thank Leon and the folks from Pasteur for sending this to me, guys. I love you. If you've never been to Pasteur Shaving in New York City, you got to get there the next time you're in town, or check them out on PasteurShaving.com. Free shipping for many of us, and they just do a great job, and they love this community. They love it. All right, guys, next, the FM brush, the Average Guy. Beautiful premium synthetic badger hair brush. Average Guy tested, Average Guy approved. And if you're looking for a nice cartridge razor for sensitive skin, the Schick Stubble Eraser or Gillette SKINGUARD, both Average Guy tested, Average Guy approved. And finally, guys, you for being here, for checking this out, for sticking with me. Average Guy tested, Average Guy approved. Guys, I'll see you next time. Probably like tomorrow or the next day or next week, whenever. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. Now roll the music.